Most of us start the day with coffee or sugary energy drinks, but what if these choices are actually draining your energy in the long run? Imagine replacing them with natural detoxifying drinks that not only cleanse your body, but also give you a natural sustained boost throughout the day. Today we're talking about detox drinks, and more specifically, how to power pack your mornings with just a few simple ingredients. If you're looking to kickstart your mornings with a burst of energy, you're in the right place. These 3 detox drink recipes are easy to make, incredibly tasty, and they're designed to give you that extra boost to conquer your day with more energy and without any middle day crash. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with our first detox drink, the lemon ginger detox drink. This one is a personal favorite and for good reason. It's incredibly refreshing, it wakes up your taste buds, and it gives you a fantastic energy boost thanks to its powerful ingredients. First up, we have lemon. Lemons are a natural source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. They're also a great source of electrolytes, which can help keep you hydrated. And let's not forget the invigorating citrusy flavor that just screams fresh start. Next we have ginger, a powerhouse ingredient known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger can help soothe your digestive system, reduce nausea, and even combat muscle soreness. Plus, it adds a wonderful warming element to this drink, making it perfect for those chilly mornings. Now let's talk about how to make this zesty drink. You'll need 1 whole lemon, about an inch of fresh ginger root, and 2 cups of water. Start by washing the lemon and ginger thoroughly. You can peel the lemon if you prefer, but I like to keep the peel on for extra flavor and nutrients. Next, thinly slice the lemon and ginger. You can use a knife for this, or if you have a mandolin slicer, that works great too. Once you have your lemon and ginger slices ready, add them to a pitcher or a large jar. Now, pour in your 2 cups of water. You can use cold water, room temperature water, or even warm water depending on your preference. I personally find that cold or room temperature water is best for this recipe, as it allows the flavors of the lemon and ginger to infuse gradually. Once you've added the water, give the mixture a good stir, then cover the pitcher or jar and place it in the refrigerator to chill for at least 2 hours, or ideally overnight. This allows ample time for the flavors of the lemon and ginger to infuse into the water, creating a deliciously refreshing and invigorating drink. When you're ready to enjoy your lemon ginger detox drink, give it another stir and pour yourself a glass. You can add a few ice cubes if you prefer it extra cold, and there you have it. A simple, refreshing, and energizing drink to kickstart your day. This drink is not only delicious, but also packed with health benefits that can help you feel your best. So, why not make it a part of your daily routine? Cheers to a zesty start. Moving on to our second detox drink, we have the green tea and lemon detox drink. This one is perfect for those of you who love a gentle caffeine boost in the morning. Green tea is known for its rich antioxidant content, and when combined with the refreshing zing of lemon, it creates a truly revitalizing drink. Green tea has been consumed for centuries for its numerous health benefits. Originating in China, it has been a staple in many cultures, celebrated not just for its taste, but also for its medicinal properties. It's packed with antioxidants called catechins, which have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, certain types of cancer, and even Alzheimer's disease. These powerful compounds help to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. The caffeine in green tea provides a gentle and sustained energy boost without the jitters or crash that you might experience with coffee. This makes it an ideal choice for those who need a steady stream of energy throughout the day. This makes it an excellent choice for a morning pick-me-up, especially if you're sensitive to caffeine. The combination of caffeine and L-theanine in green tea promotes a state of calm alertness. The lemon in this drink adds a burst of flavor and provides an extra dose of vitamin C, further boosting the antioxidant power of this drink. Vitamin C is essential for the growth and repair of tissues in the body. Plus, the combination of green tea and lemon creates a wonderfully refreshing and slightly tart flavor that's perfect for waking up your taste buds. It's a delightful way to start your day on a healthy note. To make this antioxidant powerhouse, you'll need 1 cup of brewed green tea, the juice of half a lemon, and 1 cup of water. These simple ingredients come together to create a drink that's both delicious and beneficial for your health. Start by brewing your green tea. Make sure to let it steep for about 3-5 minutes to extract all the beneficial compounds. You can use loose leaf tea or tea bags, whichever you prefer. Loose leaf tea often provides a richer flavor, but tea bags are convenient and easy to use. While the tea is brewing, juice half a lemon. Freshly squeezed lemon juice is always best for maximum flavor and nutrients. Once the tea is ready, pour it into a pitcher or a large jar. This allows you to mix the ingredients thoroughly. Add the lemon juice and 1 cup of water. The water helps to dilute the tea and lemon, making it more palatable. Give the mixture a good stir to combine all the ingredients. Make sure everything is well mixed for a consistent flavor. You can enjoy this drink immediately at room temperature, or chill it in the refrigerator for a refreshing cold drink. Chilling it can make it even more invigorating, especially on a hot day. If you prefer a sweeter drink, you can add a touch of honey or agave nectar to taste. These natural sweeteners can enhance the flavor without adding too many extra calories. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful detox drink that's packed with antioxidants and provides a gentle caffeine boost to help you power through your morning. Enjoy this delightful beverage as part of your daily routine for a healthier, more energized you. Last but not least, let's talk about the apple cider vinegar detox drink. This one is a classic for a reason. Apple cider vinegar has been used for centuries for its potential health benefits, dating back to ancient civilizations. When combined with water and a touch of sweetness, it creates a surprisingly refreshing and energizing drink that many people enjoy. Apple cider vinegar is made from fermented apples, a process that enhances its nutritional profile. It contains a compound called acetic acid, which is believed to be responsible for many of its health benefits, including antimicrobial and antioxidant effects. Some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar may help regulate blood sugar levels, promote weight loss, and improve digestion, making it a versatile addition to your diet. While more research is needed to confirm these benefits, the existing evidence is promising. Many people swear by apple cider vinegar as part of their daily routine, claiming it boosts their overall well-being. And when it comes to a detox drink, apple cider vinegar can help to alkalize your body, promoting a healthy pH balance, which is essential for maintaining optimal health. To make this classic detox drink, you'll need 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of water, and an optional sweetener to taste. I recommend using raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar for maximum health benefits, as it contains the mother of vinegar. Start by adding 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a glass. Then, fill the glass with 1 cup of water. Give it a good stir to combine the apple cider vinegar and water thoroughly. If you find the taste of apple cider vinegar too strong, you can add a touch of sweetener to taste. I recommend using a natural sweetener like honey, agave nectar, or stevia. These natural options can enhance the flavor without adding too many calories, and that's it. A simple, classic, and potentially beneficial detox drink to start your day on a healthy note. There you have it, 3 simple yet powerful detox drinks to energize your mornings. Whether you're a fan of zesty lemon and ginger, the antioxidant power of green tea, or the classic apple cider vinegar, there's a detox drink here for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Let me know in the comments below which detox drink you're most excited to try. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.